Most people get confused the first time they open Workiz. Not because it's complicated, but because they jump around without understanding the flow. Here is the truth no one tells you. Workiz only feels hard when you don't set it up in the right order. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use Workiz for the first time in 2026, step by step, from setup to your first job, so you can start running your field service business smoothly without guessing what to click next. Let's start with the very first step. When you log into Workiz, the first thing you should focus on is your business profile. This is where you add your company name, service area, and contact details. Think of it like setting the foundation. If this is wrong, everything else becomes messy later. Alex, who runs a small HVAC business, made this mistake by rushing setup, and later had issues with invoices showing incorrect details. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your profile is ready, move directly to services. This is where you define what your business actually does. You might add plumbing repair, axe installation, or emergency lockout service. Keep it simple at first. You can always expand later. The goal is clarity, not perfection. Next comes one of the most important parts, your team setup. Inside Workiz, you can add technicians and assign roles. If you are a solo operator, you can skip advanced permissions. But if you have a team, this step is critical. Jake, who runs a cleaning company, improved his scheduling efficiency just by properly assigning jobs to the right staff instead of doing it manually. But here's the problem most beginners face. They skip the scheduling and dispatch setup. This is where Workiz becomes powerful. The calendar allows you to drag and drop jobs, assign technicians, and manage availability in real time. Once you understand this, everything starts to click. Now let's talk about the most important action: creating your first job. Go to the Jobs section and click Create Job. Add customer details, service type, location, and time. Workiz will automatically organize it in your schedule. This is where you start seeing how everything connects. In a minute, here's what most people miss that causes chaos later. It's automation. Workiz allows you to send confirmations, reminders, and updates automatically. Turn these on early. It saves time and reduces missed appointments. Even small businesses see a big improvement in customer communication just from this one step. Finally, check your dashboard. This is your control center. You'll see active jobs, revenue, and team performance in one place. Don't ignore it. It tells you what's working and what is not. Final takeaway. Workiz is not about doing everything at once. It's about building step by step in the right order. Profile, services, team, schedule, and jobs. Once you follow this flow, everything becomes easy to manage. If this helped you understand Workiz clearly, hit like, subscribe, and comment what kind of business you're running. It helps others learn faster too.